Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to go over a quick and easy way how to make a chocolate peanut butter banana sandwich. So first thing I'm using is just a 45 calorie bread. 2 slices is 90 calories. They have these Fit and Active breads. They have the Nichols 35 calorie bread. So a lower calorie bread. It's pretty easy to find now, but anything under like 50 a slice is pretty good. You can use regular white bread if you'd like to use regular white bread. I just try to keep my calories a little bit lower, so I use either 45 or 35 calories. So I made up 4 slices, put them in the toaster, toasted them. Then after that, I used PB2 powdered peanut butter, and I used 4 servings of this, which was 52 grams. And you can use PB Fit. This one has 60 calories per serving, 13 grams of the serving. PB Fit, I think, is about 70 calories. Or you have that chocolate vegan protein too that I had in one of my other videos. So you can use one of that. Any of those will work. But with this one, I just used the PB2. 4 servings, 52 grams. Put it in the bowl, and I actually mixed it together with Rule 1 chocolate fudge protein powder. I didn't use much of this. I only used half a scoop of protein, so I used a chocolate fudge. So to make a chocolate peanut butter banana sandwich, you want to add some chocolate to your powdered peanut butter. They have chocolate peanut butter. They have, anything peanut butter, chocolate would probably go well with this, but I just did a half a scoop. Then I just added water very slowly to get the right consistency of peanut butter. So 52 grams, half a scoop of your protein powder of choice. And then I just sliced up a banana. I just sliced up 1 banana. And this right here gives you quite a bit. So you can really put on this peanut butter very heavily. Um, 52 grams and give you enough to make probably 3 sandwiches. You can make 3 if you want. You can go a little bit less on that. I really like to coat on the peanut butter though. So I double side my bread. Again, it's to your preference. 52 grams gives you enough for 3 sandwiches, 3 to 4 sandwiches. Make 2 sandwiches. If you like it very heavily like I do, it's really your preference. I still got some more in there too, but and then 1 banana should do you right. And this is just a very quick and simple sandwich idea. If you like banana, chocolate, and peanut butter. There you go. There's 2 sandwiches right there, good to go. And then on an extra 2, you don't have to if you don't want to, but if you get a chocolate flavored syrup, sugar-free, definitely sugar-free, great value. 31 grams is only 10 calories. So this does not really add much calories at all. And there it goes, slapping all over the place. But really add some more chocolate to your sandwich if you'd like. And that right there probably added, I don't know, 7 calories or so. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified if any new videos come out. So I'll give you the breakdown. If you were gonna make it just the way I did, it would be 590 calories, 85 grams of carbs, 9.4 grams of fat, 49.3 grams of protein. And again, like I said, you could cut this down. You don't have to make, you don't have to have that much peanut butter if you don't want. I just like it that way. You can make 4 sandwiches, 3 sandwiches with this. It's quite a bit of peanut butter. And with that too, you also have 17.6 grams of fiber. So definitely a nice quick and easy idea, quick and easy snack to make. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos, and you guys have a great day.